In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to use eC-CLEM to automatically register your images from the electron micrograph into the light micrograph. First of all, what we need to do is to automatically detect some structures that can be found similarly between the light and the electron microscope. We will use, in that case, the quantum dots because they are highly visible in both channels. Here, for example, we can just manually locate them. Then from there, what we will do is we will here start a spot detector, which is another plugin from eC-CLEM, as follow. Just launch it, and then in here, just get for the input the current sequence, and for pre-processing, select a specific channel, which is here in that case the channel number 0 corresponding to the quantum dots. In the detector, select bright spot over dark background. We are looking at fluorescence informations, and then select the scale that you are interested in. 3 and 4 and 7 pixels make sense according to the size of the spots. You can add scales if you want to see the larger structures. Here in that case we will just focus on 3 and 7 pixels. Then in the output you want to select the export to ROI, which is an important element because this is what will be used by the software to compare and find the detection. And then you can start the detection. As you can see here, almost instantly it will detect all the fluorescent spots corresponding to the different quantum dots available. Some of them are still missing, and eC-CLEM is robust enough to accept having missing points. Now you just start eC-CLEM the same way as before, and you will go for advanced use. In the advanced use you will take the AutoFinder, help me find myself from EM to LM, and launch this option. This will start the AutoFinder. As we said here, what we want to have is to detect the electron micrograph into the light micrograph. So you should select spots which are rather centered, not too much scattered, and try to avoid missing some here in that case. We can miss them in the light microscope, try to avoid in the electron micrograph. Then select the electron micrograph and as a target the fluorescence micrograph, and then start MyAutoFinder. It will automatically start to scan things and detect regions of interest that could contain your structure. Here in that case, as we can see, the electron micrograph has been placed here in red. We can place it in another color. Well, let's say red is good, and adjust the signal. As we can see already, the melanosomes are overlaying rather well with the light microscopy. This registration is not perfect, it's not as accurate as a manual landmark selection, but this will help you out to find where you are in your section and can allow you to rapidly register your EM into your light microscopy. This could be especially useful when you are at the electron microscope with your laptop next to you, taking a snapshot and trying to detect it on your LM section.